Uh-oh, Daryl's here.
That's right.
Hi.
I'm ready.
Ow, take it easy, man. You don't know your power. What's up? Good?
How's it going? Warm out here?
Man, you look the same as always. Your dad hasn't changed at all.
I know. Still the same.
Hey, Daryl hasn't changed at all. Still the same. And what else?
Now you can take that
The excavator is not going to rip this container apart. Okay? It doesn't just go right through the steel.
It's not easy.
It's not that easy. Huh? How would I get it from the bottom? Huh? What you doing? Get it from the bottom? Oh, you'll get it? Okay, it was nice knowing you, excavator. Nice knowing you. Right? Yeah. It was nice while we had it, Carlito. Well, he's about to.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Say goodbye. We're not training, my guy.
Yeah.
What do you want with these big giant toolboxes? He is not digging the whole thing all the way through.
Oh my goodness. He's gonna take all the snow off. It would be better with the skid loader, man.
Yeah. What?
I'll try to break it right here. I want to try to break the floor. Just hit it and see what happens. Why is it like that?
It's got foam in the bottom.
Oh, look at the ceiling!
Yeah!
What in the... You could at least...
Oh, you're gonna flip over! Got it!
Daryl, we were in there, man! And all of a sudden the ceiling starts coming down.
Sorry, don't promise.
He goes, sorry. We were standing right here and we were breaking the floor. You're gonna flip over, man. Hey! 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 That's never gonna open up.
That was good.
Man! You could at least checked. All of a sudden we're breaking the concrete. Like, boom! Man! Daryl's gonna kill somebody.